So messy buns are one of the reasons many men grow their hair long, simply because it looks so natural and relaxed, like you're completely chilled out. And most importantly, it looks good on everyone, not to mention the fact that it takes seconds to make a messy bun. So I think I should create some more mess and share with you guys 3 more messy buns. And the good thing about these buns is that the fundamental is the same in all 3 of them. So if you learn how to make one of them successfully, you won't face any problems making the other 2. So as always, while making a full bun, gather up all your hair in a ponytail. And then slide the rubber band over it only halfway through using your second hand. And then simply twist this wrist and try to grab all the hair with this twist and grab the bun with the fingers. Now use your first hand to slide the rubber band over the bun, and that's it. Now it does take some getting used to before you can actually make this within seconds, but once you get used to it, it will be a no-brainer. And now you know how to make a simple messy bun, and this was the first variation of it. Now for the second variation, follow all the steps as usual, but this time, when you twist your wrist, try to grab half of the hair so that this half is left hanging beneath the bun itself, while the other half is spread above the bun, which is going to give this bun a unique dynamic. Now for the third variation, follow the steps as usual, but this time when you twist your wrist, try not to grab any hair strands at all. And now you can rotate the hanging hair around to see what looks best on the shape of your head. So that completes the purpose of this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and a like to this video will also be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you guys around.